The James S. McDonnell Foundation is a private philanthropic organization dedicated to advancing research and scholarship that can significantly improve humanity's understanding of complex problems. Established in 1950 by aerospace pioneer James S. McDonnell, the founder of the McDonnell Aircraft Corporation, the foundation has played a pivotal role in supporting scientific inquiry, education, and community development. Over the decades, it has built a strong reputation as a forward-thinking institution that prioritizes long-term investment in knowledge creation and innovation. At its core, the foundation focuses on funding areas of research that are often interdisciplinary and intellectually demanding. Rather than supporting projects with immediate commercial outcomes, the foundation is more concerned with endeavors that deepen fundamental understanding and foster new frameworks for solving large-scale human challenges. This philosophy has made the foundation a respected leader in philanthropy, particularly in the sciences. Historical background: James S. McDonnell, often called Mr. Mac, was a visionary in both business and science. He believed that industry and philanthropy had a responsibility to contribute to the betterment of society. Inspired by his passion for scientific discovery, he established the foundation as a means of channeling resources into fields of knowledge that could enhance human welfare and intellectual progress. His guiding vision was not simply to fund research for practical benefit but to create pathways for groundbreaking insights into the human mind, health, and society. Initially, the foundation provided grants in education, medicine, and community service. Over time, its mission sharpened around two central goals: the advancement of knowledge in cognitive neuroscience and the understanding of complex systems. These focus areas reflect McDonnell's conviction that the greatest progress in addressing human problems comes from exploring the brain, behavior, and the interconnected systems that shape life. Mission and philosophy: the James S. McDonnell Foundation operates with a distinctive philosophy compared to many other private funders. It does not seek quick results or high-visibility projects. Instead, it supports long-term scientific endeavors that require patience, persistence, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. The foundation acknowledges that fundamental discoveries often arise unexpectedly, and that such breakthroughs depend on bold research unconstrained by immediate practical demands. Its mission can be summarized as a commitment to the pursuit of knowledge for the betterment of humankind. This broad yet profound statement reflects its openness to a wide variety of scientific disciplines while maintaining a deep focus on issues central to human cognition and the structure of complex systems. Areas of focus: the foundation has established several core programs, each dedicated to fostering progress in high-impact research fields. Cognitive neuroscience: one of the signature areas of the foundation, cognitive neuroscience explores how the brain gives rise to thought, memory, language, and behavior. The foundation funds projects that seek to unlock the mysteries of consciousness, perception, and decision-making. By supporting cutting-edge brain research, it contributes to understanding both normal cognitive function and disorders that affect mental health. Understanding human cognition, closely aligned with neuroscience, this area funds investigations into the cognitive processes underlying learning, reasoning, creativity, and problem-solving. The aim is to illuminate how humans think, how children acquire knowledge, and how societies can cultivate intellectual growth. Studying complex systems, the foundation recognizes that the world is defined by interdependent systems, from ecological networks to social and economic structures. It supports research into how these systems function, adapt, and sometimes fail. By studying complexity, scientists can better predict crises, design sustainable policies, and create tools for addressing global challenges such as climate change and pandemics. Collaborative and interdisciplinary research. Another hallmark of the Foundation's work is its encouragement of collaboration across disciplines. Many of its grants are awarded to teams of researchers from different scientific backgrounds, reflecting the belief that major problems cannot be solved within the boundaries of a single field. Grant-making and impact. The Foundation is known for its competitive yet generous grant-making programs. It awards funds through fellowships, research grants, and special initiatives, often spanning several years to allow researchers the time and flexibility to pursue ambitious projects. Its emphasis on long-term support is particularly valuable in fields like neuroscience, where groundbreaking insights may require years of patient study. Impact is measured not only in scientific publications but also in the networks and intellectual communities fostered by the grants. Many researchers supported by the James S. McDonnell Foundation have gone on to make transformative contributions in their fields, from advancing brain imaging techniques to modeling the dynamics of social systems. Broader contributions. Beyond its core scientific mission, the Foundation has also contributed to education and community initiatives, particularly in its home city of St. Louis, Missouri. Through these efforts, it honors James S. McDonnell's legacy of civic responsibility and commitment to improving society at both the local and global levels. The Foundation has cultivated an image of intellectual rigor, patience, and trust in the scientific process. It is respected not only for the financial support it provides but also for its thoughtful, strategic approach to philanthropy. Unlike some foundations that shift priorities rapidly, the James S. McDonnell Foundation has maintained consistency in its mission, allowing researchers to rely on its support for sustained inquiry. Conclusion. The James S. McDonnell Foundation stands as a model of how philanthropy can fuel progress in knowledge and discovery. Rooted in the vision of its founder, it emphasizes curiosity-driven research, interdisciplinary collaboration, and the exploration of humanity's most challenging questions. By investing in cognitive neuroscience, human cognition, and complex systems, it continues to shape the intellectual landscape in ways that promise to benefit generations to come.